Hello, friends. Welcome back to our lesson on goods and services. So we have now talked about goods and services. You watched a short little video about it, and we are going to do our after questions. So grab your economics packet and open up to your goods and services section. And also grab your questions and open up to the goods and services. They should be both on the front page. So as you recall, we talked about that we earn an income by working. That's how we earn our money. And we do that by working, which means that we trade our time and effort for money. So we put in time and effort, and in return, you get paid. And then we take our money to pay for things, such as goods. Goods are the things that you can hold or touch: food, books, clothes, cars, paper clips, your house, and things around your room that you can hold or touch are called goods. We also pay for services. Services are an activity that we pay someone to do, like a doctor, a nurse, haircuts, going to the movies, piano lessons, car wash. Those are services. And then we talked finally about how sometimes it's both a good and a service that we do, like at a restaurant. The food is a good, but the chef and your waitress would be a service. So by going to a restaurant, we're actually doing both goods and services. So let's go ahead and answer our after questions. We're going to put true or false in the after column. And remember, this answer might be different than what you thought before the lesson, and that is okay. So the first one says, earning an income means that you trade your time and effort for money. If we just stated that, you're going to put true in the after or false. The second statement says, goods and services are things that people buy. Do we buy goods and services? If you think it's true, write true. If you think it's false, write false. All right, and then you're going to answer some open-ended questions. So your first question you're going to answer in your packet says, list some examples of goods that you might use at school. Remember, goods are things you can see and touch and hold. So think about things in your classroom that you might use that are goods. The second question says, list some examples of services that you might use on the weekend. What would you maybe pay someone to do on the weekend? Look back in your packet for examples and then see if you can list a few more. You will be turning in your questions either to your teacher or in your next assignment.